Hello and welcome to our series of Target Prelims 2019. The topic for today is the red sanders. This is a very important plant species for India, and questions of this have been asked in the past also. A few years back, there was an attack that took place on smugglers in the forest where red sanders were growing, and that year UPSC asked a question on this particular tree. So questions are what you can expect. Now, first and foremost, you should know that this is what is in news primarily because previously this has now been reclassified as near threatened. Previously, it was enlisted as endangered by the IUCN in the red list. So now, because of its conservation, because of its protection, now it is only near threatened. So this is an achievement vis-a-vis the red sanders. Also, what is important is that this is a tree that is endemic to south of India, and as a result of which, this is a major tree for India, and you should know about this particular tree. Questions on this are very much expected. Next, what is important is the habitat of this particular tree. This is what is found in the tropical dry deciduous forest. So this is what you have to remember, and obviously if this is what is endemic to South India, so South India has these kind of forests, so that is kind of a judgment. Also, a reasonable guess is what you can use in exams. Also, you should know that the hills where these are present, the Palakonda and the Sheshchalam hills, again you have to use your own mind at that point of time. The hills that will be present in South India are where red sanders is what you can find. The states are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu as well as Karnataka. Also, what is important is the climatic conditions where these kind of trees are found. The climatic conditions are hot and dry is what is required for its growth. Also, rainfall is varying from 88 to 105 centimeters. So these are the climatic conditions required. Also, the soil in which it is growing, this is the lateral and the gravelly soil. This is a soil which does not tolerate water logging. So this laterite soil, by characteristic, it is porous and it does not allow water to stay in the soil for long. So this is the kind of soil that is required. The uses of the red sanders are many. First and foremost is the medicinal use of this particular tree. It is used in furniture. This red sandalwood tree is largely red colored wood, and this is highly prized in the international market for its furniture as well as for ornamentation purposes. This tree also has the capability for absorbing radiations, it is believed. It is used as spices in several Ayurveda and Siddha medicines. Also, it is used also for decorative and ornamentation purposes, as I've told you. So it is also used for food dyes because of its color. So these are the uses of this particular tree, and you should at least have some idea of these uses, because an indirect question in this regard is what you can expect. Also, you should know that this tree its export is what is banned in India, but it is because of its high demand that a lot of smuggling of this particular tree is what does take place. This export is what is banned under the Wildlife Protection Act, which gives protection to this particular tree species also. Another thing that you should know is about this task force that has been formed. This is what has been formed as a joint force between the state of Andhra Pradesh as well as the central government. This is what is known as the Red Sanders Anti-Smuggling Task Force, and this is something that is again important vis-a-vis this particular tree, and this also reflects that how important this tree is for the government of India. So indeed an important species for you all to prepare in the environmental section of prelims. So that's about the red sanders, and that's about our discussion today. I thank you all for watching the video.